And so I'm making a little parts holding tray out of a cookie sheet that I don't want to use for baking anymore because it's kind of scratched on the Teflon there. So what I did was I measured everything out here and then drew a template on there how to cut it with a sheet metal shears. It's aluminum and it's a fairly thick aluminum. And then I first bent this part in, kind of using the sheet metal pliers and a hammer and a vise a little bit. Piece of angle iron in the vise helped too. Then I marked where these holes are going and I kind of drilled them, and then I drilled that other one after I bent this part inward. And just now I've been using a rivet gun to rivet these. You kind of go like that, and then you squeeze this until that end right there pulls inward into here to the point where it flares this top part and then breaks right there. So after that, I also clean this with soap, baking soda, and little vinegar. I took a little file to the edge here and maybe a little sandpaper or something. So I'm going to paint this probably a yellow or a white so that anything I put in there is going to contrast easily. And it's almost done. I don't like to throw things out, and it'll be nice. Take parts off of something, hold them in here. It's kind of got a low center of gravity, so it's not going to tip easy. And here, so I've got that. I'm just going to use this pliers here to hold that together while I show you how to use this. Squeezing it, and then I'm kind of advancing this part upward again. There, I kind of got to push this apart to advance so it kind of lets go of the metal part in here, and then you could push it back so you can get a better grip again, and then squeeze, and there. And what I'll probably do is pound out that little piece in the center, and then somehow I'm going to put that on a punch in a vise and pound that inside of those, flat. And then after that I'll paint it, and then I'll use it. So that's a little project.